In this Python Turtle graphics tutorial, we will learn how to use the Ontimer function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. First, I created an empty window. I will create a turtle object and then I want to change its appearance. I set the object view as turtle. I set the object size to 5. I set the turtle color to black. I changed the appearance of the turtle object. I will create a function. My goal is to make the turtle object move randomly at certain coordinates. To do this, I import the random library. I am creating a variable. I am sending two values to the rand_range library. The x value will be between -300 and 300. I create the y variable by copy-pasting. I send two variables to the goto function. I will use the onkey and listen functions we learned in the previous lesson again in this example. I am sending the function and key value to be called to the onkey function. Finally, I add the listen function. When the up arrow key is pressed, the turtle object moves to a random point only once. Also notice that the line appears. I use the pen up function to eliminate lines. Every time I press the up key, the turtle object moves to a random point at the specified coordinates. Let's do a different example. This time, my goal is to ensure that the object moves to a random point continuously at 1 second intervals when the up button is pressed only once. I can do this with the onTime function. I will send two parameters to the onTime function. The first parameter represents the name of the function to be called. The second parameter represents how often the function will be called. When I click the up button once, the turtle object starts to move. I change the duration to 100 milliseconds. In this video, we learned how to use the Ontimer function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.